month only. So now, since from 3 years, we are not able to go for any trips, isn't it? Because of the deadly virus that is called corona. Then also Shreya has went and come, no? Then that is not a trip, ma. Enjoy it, no? Krutvik went, see Krutvik, he went to the Sabrimala and come. And so many they went and come, isn't it? You are planning for New Year, Gagan, I won't give you holiday. So everyone, they will be going for the trips, isn't it? So we will discuss what are the things should be taken while we are planning for a trip. Okay. So regarding this, there is a paragraph in this lesson. First we will see what are the things we are going to learn. First thing is planning a tour, the need for travel, traveling for adventure, traveling with friends. If your family go on holidays to new places, you must have seen your parents tracking everything carefully before going on holidays. Do you know how they plan a tour? So we will learn from this. Okay. So during holidays, people travel with their family and friends to different places. Usually people visit new places when they go on tours. A tour is a journey. So what is a tour?
A tour is a journey.
A tour is a journey for pleasure.
In which
Pleasure in which several different
places are visited.
different places are visited, isn't it? A tour is a journey for pleasure in which several different places are visited. Understood what is a tour? So tour is a journey for pleasure in which several different places are visited, isn't it? So when we visit a new place, we may not know where to go and what to do. We may not even know the type of clothes suitable for that place. So it is important to plan tours in advance. We planned, isn't it?
Yes.
So when we visit a new place, we may not know where to go and what to do. We may not even know the place, type of clothes suitable for that place. So it is important to plan the tours in advance because we don't know what will be the climate. We thought like it may be a summer, so you took on winter cotton cloth. So there the climate is winter. What is your condition? If you wear that, you won't be warm, isn't it? You feel cheering, isn't it? So to avoid such things, we have to plan the tour in advance. Let us now learn how to plan a tour. Okay? So how to plan a tour? The first one, decide the duration. What is the duration, miss? Time. Duration means how much time? So if you are planning for one day trip, one means it like one day means your plan is one day means you can prepare according to that. If the duration is moving for 2 or 3 days, 1 or 2 weeks, 1 month or 2 months. So you have to plan. We first need to decide the number of days for the tour. We should not plan a tour during school days. Remember everyone, you are there in school now. So we should not plan a tour during school days. Okay, Siddharth? During school days, don't plan for a tour. Okay? Then what? Shreya also. Yash also. Singly, he is feeling well only. Then also he is taking leave. You should not plan a tour. Okay? You should not plan a tour during school days. The next thing is decide the place. So the second one is we have to decide the place. So how you are going to decide? So we decide the place around according to the season, things to do and the money we spend. For example, visiting hill station is ideal during summer, isn't it? Why? Because hill station is full of having so much of cold. During summer, it is better, isn't it? Not best, better. So they have to plan the places like hill station during summer season. Okay, and also the type of cloth you have to take, and you know everything will be decided depending on the deciding of the place and also the cost of money also. Okay, the next point is decide the mode of travel. Which of the modes of travel is there?
We can travel by road, rail and air. We need to book bus,
So
train.
the mode of travel. So some places we have to go by a train. Some places we have to go by a bus. Some places
Aeroplane.
planes. Excuse me. So decide the mode of travel. We can travel by road, rail or air. We need to book bus, train or plane tickets accordingly. Okay. So before we plan, we have to decide all the things. Okay. Next, choose the place to stay. So when you go for a trip, so you have to choose so you need the sleep, right? You need the resting, right? So for that purpose, you have to choose the place to stay. So we need to book a hotel room to stay in. If we have any relatives or family friends there, we can stay with them. So if we have any relative in that particular area where you are going to stay, you have to search. Suppose your friend or your cousin, your brother or some of your relative has been staying there, you have to inform them before only when you are visiting their place. See, this time I am going to visit the trip. So what I thought is I can take one day, means one night I can stay in your home instead of staying in hotel. Isn't it, no? We don't know how the hotel condition will be. But when we stay in our relative house, it is better actually. Everything they look after very neatly. But in hotels we does not know what are the conditions. So better to stay in the relative's house. Next thing is pack our things. So this thing who will do?
Mother.
See.
Ma'am, I think
So no one has answered like, ma'am, I only do my things. Pack our things. You have to pack. See, your mother does not know what are the things you want. She can pack only clothes. Remaining your brush, then soap, then shampoo, then your footwear, and your mobile, then what are the things, books, everything you have to carry. Everything why your mother only should carry? I don't like this. So we should pack our bags well in advance. Our bags should be light so that they can easily carry. However, we must remember to carry important things like our ID cards, tickets, important documents and medicine. We must also carry our clothes, toiletries. So brush, combs, toothbrush, toothpaste. Sometimes we may even need to carry umbrellas, warm clothes, swimsuits and food. We may also carry along a camera to record the memories of the trip. See here they have given the things to be carried while packing for travel. They have given passport, then tickets, medicine and also the camera. What are the needed things? Okay, you have to pack all these things and you have to move. So we have learned about what is a tour. A tour is a journey for pleasure in which several different places are visited. Before planning, what are the things we have to do? We have to decide the duration, decide the place, decide the mode of travel, choose the place to stay and pack our things. Okay. So we have to do all this. Hope you enjoyed the class. Any doubts? Then coming for your workbook. So, which of the following is not a factor while deciding a place for a tour?
Important things to pack.
Important?
Things to pack.
Yes, option D. Second question. Which of the following things is very important to carry while traveling?
Umbrella. Umbrella.
Tickets.
Umbrella, no ma'am?
Tickets. Without ticket, how you can move?
That one first stick to that one.
Option A. Visiting hill station is ideal during
Holidays.
summer. SUMMER. We take a dash to record the memories of our trip. Camera. Read the following and answer. Prachi's family has decided to go to Singapore this vacation. They will fly on 2nd May and return in a week. Prachi is very excited. She has already started making a list of things to buy. Where is Prachi going on vacation? Singapore. What is the mode of travel?
Flight. Air.
Aeroplane. Next. What is a tooth? For that you have to write down. This is the seventh answer. You have to write down. Will you write down this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, hope you enjoyed the class. I will meet you in the next class with a new concept of the same lesson. Until then, take care, students.